Want to create a professional business website? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a website for a small business using WordPress, and we'll be using the Divi theme to make it look beautiful and professional quickly. Divi is one of the fastest and easiest ways to design a website without needing to know a single line of code. And before we start, if you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, I've added a link in the description below so you can grab it directly from Elegant Themes and follow along with this tutorial. Whether you're building a blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, Divi's powerful visual builder and flexible design options will help you create your site with ease. In this tutorial, we'll cover everything from installing Divi, using pre-made layouts, customizing your content, and setting your site up for launch. Start by setting up the Divi theme. First, you need an Elegant Themes account. Once you have that, log in and go to the Downloads area. Download the Divi theme file. It will be in a zip format. Do not unzip it. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. Hover over Appearance in the menu and click on Themes. Then click the Add New button at the top. After that, click Upload Theme and choose the Divi zip file. Click Install now and wait a few moments. Once it's installed, click Activate. Your website is now using Divi. To unlock all features, you need to activate your license. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Divi in the left menu, then Theme Options. At the top, you'll see a place to enter your Elegant Themes username and API key. You can find the API key in your Elegant Themes account under your profile. Copy and paste your details into WordPress and click Save. Now all Divi features are available. Let's create your homepage. In the WordPress dashboard, go to Pages and click Add New. Name the page Home and click the purple button that says Use Divi Builder. You'll now see three options. Choose Browse Layouts. This opens Divi's library with hundreds of professionally designed layout packs for every type of website, from business and personal to e-commerce and portfolio. You can scroll through or use the search bar to find a layout that matches your needs. For example, if you're creating a bakery site, search Bakery and Divi will show layouts designed specifically for that. Each layout pack comes with multiple pages such as Home, About, Contact, and Services. Click on a pack to preview it. Choose the homepage layout and click Use this layout. Divi will automatically load the entire design onto your page. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once it loads, you'll see a complete homepage with sections, rows, images, text, and buttons ready to customize. To personalize it, click on any text to edit it directly. Change the headline to your business name and update the paragraph text with your description. To change an image, click on it and upload your own or choose from your media library. You can rearrange sections, delete ones you don't need, or duplicate them if you want to reuse the design. Divi makes everything visual, so you can edit while seeing the results in real time. Click the Settings gear icon on any module to adjust design options like colors, fonts, spacing, and backgrounds. For example, you can change button colors, add shadows to text, or apply gradients to sections. Once you finish editing, click the purple Save button at the bottom. Your homepage is now ready. Next, let's make it your site's front page. Go back to the WordPress dashboard, click Settings, then Reading. Under your homepage displays, choose a static page and select Home from the drop-down. Click Save Changes. Now when visitors go to your site, they'll see the homepage layout. Let's add other pages. Go to Pages, click Add New, name it About, and click Use Divi Builder. Choose Browse Layouts and pick the About page from the same layout pack you used earlier. This keeps your design consistent. Replace the placeholder text and images with your own and click Save. Repeat this process for Services, Contact, or any other pages you need. Using a layout pack keeps your website looking professional with matching colors and styles. Now let's create a navigation menu. Go to Appearance, then Menus. Click Create a new menu and give it a name like Main Menu. Click Create Menu. On the left, check the boxes for your pages, Home, About, Services, Contact, and click Add to Menu. Drag them into the order you prefer. Under Menu Settings, check Primary Menu and click Save Menu. Your navigation bar will now appear at the top of your site. You can also set global site options. In your dashboard, go to Divi, then Theme Options. Here, upload your logo, adjust your color palette, and set basic site settings. You can also use the Theme Customizer to preview live changes like fonts, button styles, and header layout. To check how your site looks on different devices, open a page in Divi Builder and click the device icons at the bottom. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This allows you to fine-tune how your site looks across all screen sizes. At this point, you have a fully working WordPress website using Divi. From here, you can keep adding content, new images, and features depending on your needs. Whether it's a personal project, a professional business site, or a portfolio, Divi gives you all the tools to design it quickly without writing code. As you've seen in this tutorial, Divi makes creating a WordPress site simple, flexible, and visually impressive. It's a great solution whether you're building for yourself or creating websites for clients. If you'd like to try Divi for yourself at a great price, check the link in the description below to get it directly from Elegant Themes and start building your site today.